How many of you meet your boss in a one-on-one meeting, and how frequently do you do this? You see, this one meeting every month will transform yourself in someone who is interested. Your perception will be created as someone who wants to learn. The perception will be created for someone who wants feedback to grow. That's what your boss will feel if you start scheduling one-on-one meetings with the boss. If you design your goal in the start of the year, and if you plan to track your goals with these one-on-one meetings, the perception is created that you are serious about your career growth. You are serious about your growth within the team, within the organization, and you're trying to achieve those goals, and you are taking guidance of your boss in these one-on-one meetings. In these one-on-one meetings, you are trying to find out what are the area of opportunities that you can start implementing to achieve your goals. It's a very important aspect of a corporate career or corporate life where one-on-one meetings are one of the crucial meetings everyone should start implement. See, people start entering goals the start of the year. They do not look at their goals the entire year, and by the end, when there's a performance review or a performance appraisal, they start filling up what they have done so far. But the entire year, it's black hole for the manager to understand what you have done so far, and you are suddenly coming up with so many inputs that you have done this, you have done that, but what's the proof? If you start setting up every month one-on-one meetings with the boss and trying to help them understand what are you doing, take help from them to understand how you can grow, I think that will build a strong bond between you and your boss, and it will help you grow in your career. See, these one-on-one meetings are very important. I would rather suggest you start, if you've not done it till now, start setting up one-on-one meetings with your boss every month and send him the agenda of the meeting before you meet. Discuss those points and send a meeting note by the end of the meeting. This is a way of documenting your discussion, your decisions within the one-on-one meetings, and it'll guide you towards your success and achieve your goals faster. And your boss will also appreciate your efforts towards your success, how much of an effort you're putting, and what exactly is the progress you're discussing in your one-on-one meeting. So think about it. Start setting up one-on-one meetings. This will help you build yourself as an authority. This will help you build your perception as someone who is a good performer. This will help you to set up a perception for yourself as a person who is very much interested in growth and learnings. And in turn, this will help you build yourself a recession-proof. You see, these unforeseen situations can come anytime. These are the situations where no one will think about whether you are coming to the office early, going home late. No, how much of an interested person you are to grow will define whether you are the person in those victims category or you are the person in those survival category. Think about it. I'm doing a webinar on talking about 7 elements that can help you build yourself recession proof. The link is in the description. Join that webinar. I may not do this very often. I have a very limited seat, so grab this opportunity and be a part of this Ace Performer community. If you're liking this video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload my next video. Follow me on Instagram, join the tribe. The link is in the description to join my community where I share a lot of information which will help you transform yourself to be an ace performer. I'm on a mission to transform 1 million lives by redesigning their approach with my process-driven framework to help them be an ace performer at workplace. So I want you to grab this opportunity, join the webinar, and be a part of the community. And be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.